Mind travels in vast fortunes, amused by one's own imagination, that only a work of fiction, future envisioned, dream to catch on, smiling to myself while being entertained by the truth. The passing of times was like a running horse. Even with eyes closed, still smiling. 'Cause self thinks that success I was caught. Oh, you are a dream that you are good at clutching. May you reach this yearning feeling. Beat a storm of various trials. Will not accept. Ready to weather the storm. When, if the storm goes back and forth, and even if it's dark around, still stay strong. Dream to reach that's just from imagination. A spark, a seed, a silent thought. In realms unseen, a dream is wrought. A whisper grows, a world takes flight, where shadows dance with beams of light. Through hidden paths, let spirits soar, unlocking worlds of secrets lie. For in your mind, the vastness stands, a universe within your hands.